So it's been a year since my last video, but today I have something special to show you. I know you've probably all seen everybody do the FabFitFun boxes before, but this is my very first one, so I decided to show it with you, to show everybody. Before we get started, I was surprised to find that there was a product outside of the box when I received it. It was this Callyssee foaming skin milk lotion. It was outside of the box when I got it, so I thought that was interesting. I haven't seen anybody actually talk about that before, but yeah, that was it. So this one is super pretty. I've seen so many FabFitFun unboxings, but I finally gave in and actually bought this one because the summer box is amazing. So you get this paper, I'll be reading that later, and then you have this lovely tissue paper. Let's not surprise things just yet. And you get all these things inside. Yay! Oh my god, I just want to take a picture right now. It's so pretty. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, I have to. So my battery's flashing red. So let's see if we can do this very, very, very quickly. So the first thing you get is this, that I got anyway, was the Coola? Yeah. Classic face sunscreen, which is going to be great. Hopefully there's nothing in here that I'm allergic to because I have severely sensitive skin, but I'm gonna be trying this and I'll let you guys know probably on my Instagram. Then I got the Orlando Pita Play Atmos-Sheild hair protectant spray, so for damp or dry hair with multi-facet shielding complex, so that'll be fun to try. Again, hopefully I'm not allergic to it. Otherwise, I'll be passing it on to friends and family. Then next I got the Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel, which is great because I love working out, even though it doesn't look like it. I love working out, so hopefully this will help my muscles feel better. So next we have the Pier 1 Marble Plate. Come on, focus. There we go. Pier 1 Marble Plate. I'll find some way to use it, but it's beautiful. I don't particularly like the gold rim. Gold's really not my style. I'd prefer it to be silver, but whatever, to each their own. It's still a beautiful plate. Next I have the sports stretchy band thing. I'll find some way to use it. I love every form of exercise. I'm gonna put that down so it's not so crinkly. I do every form of exercise, so it'll be fun to try this out in some new way. Maybe it'll actually get me those gains that I'm missing. Hashtag jingle arms. This Tarteist Pro Glow Contour Palette is what made me buy the FabFitFun box in the first place. Not everything else that came in this box. This thing. I love Tarte products, but this is the one thing I have yet to buy. So I was so happy when it came in this season's box. I'm so happy to start trying it out. I want to open it right now. Come on. As you can see, I'm not good at opening stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so pretty. I can't wait to try it. Next is the thing that everyone has been talking about. It's the Foreo Luna, and I have heard so many things about this, seen so many ads about it, so I'm really excited to try it out. I tried to do a lot of skincare, but I mean, we'll see. I'm really happy that this one's in yellow. If it will focus, there you go. Everything is always in pink, and I just think pink is overused for everything, so I'm really, really, really happy that I got a yellow one. Sorry about the lighting change and the angle change, I guess. My camera died. So professional, I know. So I had to switch to my phone because it's now charging, and I don't have a spare. Yay, prepare! Last thing in the box is this beautiful beach towel. It's so soft. I cannot wait to use it. Even though I don't live anywhere near a beach and I don't have a pool, I will lay out in the sun and get a lovely tan with this. I think this is the pineapple one, I believe. We'll figure out and open it later. One thing you should know about all these products is that I hit surprise me on most of them, except for the Tarteist Pro Contour Palette. That's the one I absolutely wanted, but everything else mostly was surprise me. As it was my first FabFitFun box, I didn't want to specify against anything, just in case I hated one thing or the other, so I just hit surprise me on everything. FabFitFun is mostly customizable. They do give you some options, some things you do get no matter what. But it was a really fun box, and I'm looking forward to my next one in the fall. So if you liked what you see here today, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I don't know when I'll upload my next video. I mean, it's really pretty much whenever I feel like it. But I'll be excited to do the fall one when I get it in the fall. So keep an eye out for that. I'll try to upload some more, just depends on what I'm doing at the time. Anyway, thanks guys. I'm just Steffi and it's just my life.